For this assignment, we'll be using a web-based program called Animoto to create a video about My Media Life is Like simile. Go to Google Classroom, click on the classwork. Once you are there, we're in week 2. Find the assignment, My Media Life Is. Click on the assignment if you're not already there. The directions for this assignment is to watch the video lesson. Once you're done, click on the assignment right here in this link. Complete it. Now, when we're finished this lesson, we're going to create the video using Animoto. Here's the code to create the account. Click on the link to go to the website. Once you're on the website, click on Sign Up. Use your SUSD Learns account to create an account. Click on Continue. Do not click on the Sign Up with a social account. Type in a password. You must remember your own password. Once you are done, click Create an Account. Please click on Education because we will be using this for educational purposes. Now you will have the welcome page. We're going to go up to My Account, scroll down to Account and click there. Make sure that you do this because this allows you to get more access to different things on the website. To do this, go back to the Google Classroom, highlight the code, Control-C, click your cursor here, right-click or press Control-V, apply the promo code. Now you have an educational account that will last till next year. Let's create a video. Click on My Videos. You'll have 2 options, Animoto Memories, Animoto 2 Marketing. We're going to be choosing Animoto Memories. Click Create. Once you click Create, it's going to bring you to the page with all the templates that are available to you and some that are not. If you see an icon that says Premium, that is a template that you cannot use. It's going to ask you to upgrade and for you to pay. We are using the free version, so go back if you've chosen that template. Click on Create and let's get started using one that's available to us. I decided to use Safari Friends. I like the font style. Click on Create Video. I click Create Video. It's going to take you to the Create dashboard. If you notice, you'll notice at the top that it shows you where you are. You get an option to start the tutorial. To get an idea, go ahead and start of what to do. There's options on the left side to change the style. So if you click there, it'll take you back to the template page. Add a logo, which we will not do. And then there's Add Pics and Videos and Text. Click on Add Text. This is going to add the title of your Animoto video. Remember, this is a requirement. Make sure you type My Media Life is Like and whatever simile you chose. I chose a circus. Now I want to add an image. Click on Add Pic and Videos. I can't upload anything yet, so I'm going to do a Google search. On another tab, open up Google and click on Images. Type in the simile idea that you have. Since mine is circus, I'm going to type in the word circus. I chose to choose a clip art version of a circus and a transparent background. I'm looking for a big top. I found the image that I like. Right click, Save Image. Make sure you title it and pay attention to which folder your image is going to be placed in. Mine is going to be in the Downloads folder. You'll see that it uploads down at the bottom, so you know that it's done downloading. Click on Upload. It should open in the folder where you saved it, but if it doesn't, make sure you remember where it was. Again, mine is in Downloads. Once you've uploaded your photo, you can preview to see how it looks. When you first do your preview, it's going to give you an option to produce. It's when you finish your video, you're going to produce it and share it with me, and I'll show you that later on in the video. I'm liking what I see so far. I'll click Continue Editing. One of the requirements is to make sure that you have a caption/statement under each image that you chose to help with your simile. Since I chose a big top, I'm going to type, "The big top is where you find all the fun." I wanted to add more, but I noticed that there's a limit to how many characters I can have. The number's down here. Once I'm done, I'll click Save. I'll preview again to make sure that it's saved. When I see the big top, I should see the words underneath. And I do. Now I'll be adding another image by pressing on the plus sign, the image icon, and this is the text icon. I'm choosing to add a fire breather. To add an image, click on the one you like, right-click on the image, get the option to save image as, make sure that you title it, and remember where it's going to be. Click Save. You'll see that it's downloaded in the taskbar. Click on Upload, and the image should be in the folder and named the way you have it. Don't forget to add your caption/statement. Make sure that your captions and statements have to do with your simile. Since mine is about circus, I'm going to make sure that I say something is always on fire, which means that I'm always getting notifications and having to make sure that I'm paying attention to them. I'm going to preview it just to see how it looks. If I don't like what the caption says, click on the gear and retype it, or press the garbage can if you don't like the image at all. Again, to change the style, just go up to Change Style and click on another one. I'm choosing Carousel. Select Style, and now when I preview it, my video will be different. I like it already. As I watched it, I decided that I wanted to change the song. To change the song, just click on Change Song. Here, you'll find icons of the song. Click the play icon to hear it. Here, there's popular ones, but if you want to see more, just go to See More Songs. It's going to bring you to this page here. Here, you'll see on the left side, there's different categories that you can choose from. Just decide what category you like, press play, and listen to it. Remember, if it's a premium version, you can't use it. Now that I see that I have what I like, I'm going to go to Settings and name my video. In the title, make sure you use your name. My media life is like ... space ... space ... and that will be the title for your video. Where it says producer, place your name. Click Save once you're finished. You'll see at the top, next to the icon, Saved. And that's that. If you want to change how large the thumbnails are, click on these square icons here. After you've added your 12 images with their captions, your title, slide, and your closure, go to Produce. Make sure you have your title with your first name, My Media Life is Like, producer, your name. Click Finish. At the moment, Animoto will be finalizing how your video will look. If you want to go back and edit your video, just click on where it says Edit Video. If you would like to download it to have a hard copy, you can do that as well. Here's where you'll preview it. Once you like what you have, click on Share. Find the link icon and click there. It will open up to a window. copy to clipboard. Go to Google Classroom, click on Add or Create, click Link, and paste the link here. Add link. Once it's downloaded, click Turn In. Turn in. And that's that. I hope you had fun.